What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk latch on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to open the trunk, just use the key. I'm going to take these push pins out. There's 4 on this side, 4 on this side. I'm just going to use a trim tool. We sell this trim tool at 1aauto.com. Just get underneath here. And there's 2 pieces to this push pin. There's a top part and then a lower part. So you take the top part out and that releases the lower part. Alright, I can actually use another screwdriver for leverage. Just don't smash the window while you do this. There we go. Then you want to take these ones out as well. I'm going to lower this down. I don't necessarily have to. Then I can lower this piece of the insulation. If you wanted to, you could pull, there's 2 screws right there and right there. You can pull this off and then twist this strap, take that off, but you don't have to. I'm going to take these screws out. There's 3 of them. I'm going to use a T30 socket and a ratchet. Loosen these up. Oops. Take that last one out. You can slide this back here. Disconnect the connector right there. Slide that out. And then this rod over here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, get underneath this little cap right here. Slide that up. And slide that rod off. It's just a plastic rod. And there's the latch. We're going to slide this lock rod in position first. Just get that lined up with that hole right there. Once that's in, then put the little lock in. Just like that. You can connect the connector over here. Just like that. Slide this back in position. Take these screws. I'm going to get all these screws started first, and then we'll tighten them down. Now take the T30 socket and ratchet and just snug these up. Take this cover, just slide that back in position. And close this, tighten this down. All right, we're gonna put these push pins back in. These bottom ones we didn't actually have to take out, but you can take them out anyway. Just push them in and then lock them down.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.